All right, drink we're about to make is called Christmas Martini. All right, we're going to serve it up in a martini glass, so get it nice and chilled by putting some water and ice in there, and let it sit for about 30 seconds or until we're done making our drink. Should be nice and cold. Put some ice in a mixing glass and measure out 3 ounces of gin. And this is going to be a fun Christmas. 2 and 3. Next, we're going to add a half an ounce of dry vermouth and a teaspoon of peppermint schnapps. All right, grab your shaker and give it a shake. Now make sure you have a piece of candy cane ready because we're going to garnish it with it. All right. Go ahead and pour out your ice water and strain it in. And here we have a nice candy cane. Just drop it right in there. Or stick it on top. Bottoms up.